So in this video, we're going to start to work on structuring the web page using division tags. And this is going to lead up towards two homework assignments from now. We're going to do a structured web page design, which isn't the ideal way to do web pages, but it gives you a good exercise in pixel counting, which I think is important to get some experience doing. So your first homework assignment that you did, you should have a homework 1 folder, and inside that folder you should have an images folder that contains all of the pictures that you used. And you should also have a style sheets folder, and in that style sheets folder, because we haven't done the style sheets yet, you should have nothing inside of there. And then you should have 3 web pages that validate, and each of those 3 pages should display at least 1 image. And we had the requirement that you use a header tag at the top for the title, that there be links to the other 2 pages, and that you have at least 3 paragraphs of text and an edited image showing up on each page. So I have my home page, which is the index.html. That was something that was a little bit misunderstood in the first assignment. The home page needs to be the index.html or index.html page. On each of your 3 pages, you should have 2 links that take you to either of the other 2 pages in the site. So here's my home page. I can get to my job page, and from my job or work page I can get back to my home page or over to my outdoors page, which is my 3rd page in my site. So in the first part of this next assignment, what I want you to do is this. Make sure you've got the headers, the links, the pictures all set up correctly. So go in, look at that homework 1 rubric, make sure you fix anything that needs to be fixed. Be sure to ask questions if you have them. And then once you get that done, I want you to take your homework 1 folder and rename it to homework 3. It would be nice if you put your first and last name on that homework 3 folder as well. So maybe I could change mine to Richard_Swearingen_homework_3. That way when you upload them to Google Drive and I download them, they already have your name on them. But what I want you to do for the first part of this next coding assignment, I want you to go into your code for homework 1. And I'm going to want you to add some division tags in a very specific way. And what we're doing by adding these division tags in is we're setting ourselves up for a homework assignment that's going to happen 2 assignments from now. So right inside your body tag, I want you to put a division tag. And I want you to make sure that you indent all of your page content over 1 space from that division tag, so that it's clear that this content you have on your page is inside of that division tag. And then at the bottom of your page, close that division. So what we're doing is taking a division as a box. And so basically what we're doing is we're taking all of our page content and we're sticking it into a box. And then I want you to go and add division tags in a very specific way on the rest of each of your 3 pages. So your header, which is supposed to be your page title that I asked you to do, I want you to put that header also inside of a set of division tags. So I'm going to go right above my header 1. I'm going to put a division tag in there. And then I'm going to indent my header so that it is clear that it's inside of that division. And this division, notice it's indented so that it's clearly inside of the division. This first division creates a box that holds the whole page. Now I'm going to put a sequence of smaller boxes inside of it. So after my header, I'm going to close that division tag. So my header for my page, my title, is going to be in its own division tag. And why we're doing this will make a lot more sense when we get to the homework assignment, basically coding assignment 5. Your anchor tags that take you out to the other pages in your website, I want you to put those in a division. So just create a division and then indent those anchor tags so it looks like it's inside of that division. And then close that division up. So put your anchor tags inside a division. And then the main content of your page, your paragraphs and your pictures, take those and put them inside of a division as well. So I'm going to go up here, get inside of this thing. Whoops, I went up too high. I'm going to go up here, tab over, create a division here, and then I'm going to take all of my paragraphs and pictures, all of my page content, tab it over so it's inside of that, looks like it's inside of this division. And then I'm going to come down to the end of my last paragraph at the end of the page, and I'm going to close that division up. So when you get done, your page should have a main division holding everything, a division holding your header or page title, another division holding just your page links, and then another division that holds all of your content, your paragraph, your pictures, and then a final division to close off the main division. That's just a box holding all of your stuff. You need to go into each of your 3 pages and set up the same structure. So I want the same structure I just implemented on my index.html page. I want you to implement it on the other 2 pages you submitted to me for homework number 1.